You ready? I had a little turtle, his name was Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water, he ate up all the soap, and now he's got bubbles way down in his throat, and he goes and I had two buzzing bees. Their names were Steve and Lynn. I put them in the washing machine to see if they could spin. They moved around all the clothes and put them in the bin, and now they have lint all around their chins, and they go bzz, 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 bzz. Oh, that's so good. I had three clucking hens. Bark, bark, bark. Their names were Bob, Jane and Ben. I put them in the garden to see if they could dig, 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 dig. They dug out all the flowers and swallowed them whole. And now they have very full tummies and they feel very odd, and they go spew, 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 spew. Ha. I had four little puppies. Their names were Lacey, Jane, Tina and Greg. I put them in their bed to see if they would sleep. Shh, shh. They ate up all the fluff. It was very tough, and now they are very fluffy, just like their mate Tough, and they go woof, fluffy, woof, woof, fluffy, woof, 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 fluffy, 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 woof. I had 5 crazy cats. Their names were Nat, Fat, Sat, Lat and Tat. I put them in the boat to see if they could water ski. Shoo, shoo. They jumped off the sides. Yow. And now they jumped off the sides. It wasn't very nice. And now they are swimming back to shore so they can get nice and dry. And they go meow, 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 meow. Yay! That's the end.